The Revolut Virtual Card is a digital card designed for secure online payments, helping you manage your finances and protect your physical card details. Here's how to use it. Download and set up Revolut. First, download the Revolut app on your smartphone and sign up or log in. Ensure your Revolut account is funded by transferring money from your linked bank account or another funding source. Create a virtual card. In the Revolut app, go to the card section and tap Add New Card. Select Virtual Card and a new virtual card will be generated instantly. This card comes with a card number, expiry date and CVV, just like a physical card. You can also choose a disposable virtual card for extra security, where the card details change after every transaction. Use the virtual card for payments. When shopping online, select the Revolut virtual card as your payment method. Enter the card details from the app at checkout. The funds will be debited from your Revolut account, just like with a physical card. Manage payments. You can view your transactions and manage limits in the app. Revolut also allows you to freeze or delete the virtual card anytime for added security.